Very good afternoon, student. The next problem is sixth problem. An induced current of 2.5 milliampere flows through a single conductor of resistance 100 ohm. Find out the rate at which the magnetic flux is cut by the conductor. Given data, induced current I is equal to 2.5 milliampere. Milli means 10 power minus 3. Resistance R is equal to 100 ohm. d phi b divided by dt is equal to question mark. So that means magnetic flux is cut by the conductor. d phi b divided by dt is equal to epsilon. Already we know the formula for the Ohm's law. Epsilon is equal to IR. So here d phi b divided by dt is equal to IR. I is nothing but 2.5 into 10 power minus 3. R value is 100. 2.5 into 10 power minus 3. This 100 is written as 10 square. 10 power minus 3 into 10 square is nothing but 10 power minus 1. Here is equal to, the answer is 250 into 10 power minus 3, because 2.5 into 100 is nothing but 2500. 2500 into 10 power, sorry, 2.5 into 10 power minus 3 into 100 can be written as 250. 250 into 10 power minus 3. Rate of change of flux d phi divided by dt is equal to 250 milliweber per second. 250 milliweber per second. The next problem is problem number 7. A fan of metal blades of length 0.4 meter rotates normal to the magnetic field of 4 into 10 power minus 3 Tesla. If the induced EMF between the center and the edge of the blade is 0.02 volt, determine the rate of rotation of the blade. Given data is L is equal to 0.4 meter, B is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 3 Tesla, epsilon is equal to 0.02 volt. That means potential difference is equal to 0.02 volt. 0.02 can be written as 2 into 10 power minus 2 volt. Rotation of the blade is nothing but omega is equal to question mark. So area A is equal to pi r square. Pi is nothing but 3.14 into R value is 0.4 the power square. 0.4, the L is considered as a R. 0.4 the whole square. That means area, that means radius square. 3.14 into 0.4 the whole square. What is the formula? Epsilon is equal to NBA omega sin theta. Here number of turns it is not mentioned, so that is why we can take n is equal to 1. Theta is nothing but always perpendicular direction, that means theta is equal to 90 degree. Sin 90 degree value is 1. Here rearrange this equation. Omega is equal to epsilon divided by NBA sin theta. So omega is equal to epsilon divided by NBA sin theta, substituting the known value 2 into 10 power minus 2 divided by 1 into number of turns 1 into magnetic field 4 into 10 power minus 3 into area 3.14 into 0.4 the whole square into sin 90 degree. Now the 4 term cancelled by 2, second table, 1 2s are 2 2s are 2 into 3.14 into 0.14 can be written as 0.16. Sin 90 degree 1. The 10 power minus 3 goes to numerator 10 power plus 3. 10 power plus 3 minus 2 is nothing but 10 power plus 1. So 10 power plus means 10. 10 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 0.16 into 1. So 10 is cancelled by 2, second table. 5 2s are 10. 5 divided by 3.14 into 0.16 into 1. Now the log value is, log 5 is nothing but 0.69990. Log 3.14 is nothing but 0.4969. Log 0.16 value is bar 1.2041. Now, first of all, we should add this value 3.14 and 0.16. Adding these two values, bar 1.7010. Then subtracted by log 5 minus this value. Log 5 value is 0.6990. Log new denominator term value is bar 1.7010. Subtracting these two values, we obtain 0.9980. 0.9980. Here, the value of revolution per second is nothing but 9.95 revolution per second. 9.95 revolution per second. Now the omega value is 9.95 revolution per second. The next problem, eighth problem is a bicycle wheel with metal spokes of 1 meter long rotates in Earth's magnetic field. The plane of the wheel is perpendicular to the horizontal component of earth field of 4 into 10 power minus 5 Tesla. If the EMF induced across the spokes is 31.4 millivolt, calculate the rate of revolution of the wheel. The given data is L is equal to 1 meter, B is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 5 Tesla. Area A is equal to pi r square is equal to 3.14 into r square value, that means 1, r is nothing but 1 meter, so that is why 1 square, 3.14 into 1, 3.14 meter square. Epsilon value is 31.4 millivolt. This term can be written as 3.14 into 10 power minus 2 volt, because 31.4 millivolt means 31.4 into 10 power minus 3 volt. Let me adjust this decimal point before the 1. 3.14 into 10 power minus 2 volt. So epsilon, what is the formula? Epsilon is equal to NBA omega sin theta. Number of turns it is not mentioned, that is why let me take N is equal to 1. Here theta is not mentioned, so it is the perpendicular. Wheel is perpendicular, so perpendicular means 90 degree. So theta is equal to 90 degree. Sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Rearrange this equation. Omega is equal to epsilon divided by NBA sin theta. Substituting the known value, epsilon is nothing but 3.14 into 10 power minus 2 divided by N is 1 into magnetic field B is 4 into 10 power minus 5 into area 3.14 into sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree value is 1. 3.14 then 3.14 cancel each other. Remaining term is 10 power plus 5, minus 5 goes to numerator side, means 10 power plus 5. 10 power plus 5, 10 power minus 2 is nothing but 10 power cube. 10 power cube can be written as 1000. 1000 divided by 4 into 1. So 1000 divided by 4 is nothing but 250. So 250 revolution per second. So omega is equal to 250 revolution per second. Next, ninth problem. Determine the self-inductance of 4000 turn air core solenoid of length 2 meter and diameter 0.04 meter. Now, number of turns 4000 turns. Given data is N is equal to 4000 turns, L is equal to 2 meter, diameter D is equal to 0.04 meter. Radius is nothing but R is equal to 0.02 meter, because diameter divided by 2 is nothing but radius. R is equal to 0.02 meter. Now L is equal to question mark. A is equal to pi r square. Pi r square means 3.14 into r square value 2 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square power square. What is the formula? L is equal to mu naught n square AL. Mu naught n square AL, because self-inductance formula L is equal to mu naught n square AL. Here small n can be written as capital N divided by L. That means number of turns per unit length, N by L. So N by L is substituting in this equation, we get L is equal to mu naught n square, capital N square divided by L into A into L. N square divided by L square. N square divided by L square. A into L. 1 L cancel. So remaining term N square divided by L. Mu naught N square A divided by L. Substituting the known value. What is the value of mu naught? Mu naught is nothing but 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. This is the constant value. 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 into N value is 4000 the whole square into area 3.14 into 2 into 10 power minus 2 the whole square divided by length is nothing but 2 meter 2. So cancel the 4 cancel by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 3.14 into 10 power minus 7. 4 into 10 cube the whole square. 4 into 4 16. 10 cube the whole square is 10 power 6. So 16 into 10 power 6 into 3.14 into 4 into 10 power minus 4. So multiple these terms. 2 into 16 32. 32 into 4 is nothing but 128 into 10 power minus 4 minus 7 is minus 11. Minus 11 plus 6 is nothing but minus 5. So L is equal to 3.14 into 3.14 into 128 into 10 power minus 5. So multiply by these terms we get 1262.02 into 10 power minus 5 Henry. This decimal point adjusts before the 62 terms 12.62 into 10 power minus 3 Henry. Here 10 power minus 3 is nothing but milli. So inductance, self-inductance L is equal to 12.62 milli Henry. The next problem, 10th problem, a coil of 200 turns carries a current of 4 ampere. If the magnetic flux through the coil is 6 into 10 power 5 Weber, find the magnetic energy stored in the medium surrounding the coil. Given data is N is equal to 200 into 200. 200 can be written as 2 into 10 power square turns. I is equal to 4 ampere. 5B is equal to 6 into 10 power 5, 10 power minus 5 Weber. What is the energy storage, magnetic energy? UB is equal to question mark. UB is equal to 1 by 2 Li square. Li is nothing but is equal to N into 5B. So L is equal to N 5B divided by I. Here in this step, L is equal to N 5B divided by I. This L value is substituting through this equation. We get 1 by 2 into L can be written as N 5B divided by I into I square. 1 I cancel. Remaining term 1 by 2 N 5B into I. So substituting the known value. N is nothing but 2 into 10 power 2. Half into 2 into 10 power 2 into I value is 6 into 5B value is 6 into 10 power minus 5. I value is 4. Now 2 cancel. 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3. So 24 into 10 power minus 3 joule. Here energy, magnetic energy is UB is equal to 0.24 into 10 power minus 3 joule can be written as 0.024 joule. Thank you very much, student.